Hey guys, this is Hafiz, and today I'm doing a follow-up video on the Reefer fiberglass was broke inside the trailer, and I was not able to get loaded, so I had to secure the wall. I tried the repair shops, but they didn't have a time, so I decided to fix it myself temporarily. I put the duct tape on the wall and I secure this wall against the aluminum trim we have inside the trailer and put the duct tape on the edges, so that way I was able to hold the wall, and the warehouse didn't give me any problem and I was able to get loaded. So I made the delivery and made it to my parking lot, and I decided to fix it myself because the trailer shop gave me 2 weeks waiting time and I don't want to waste my time, so I decided to do it myself. All right, so I'm at the Home Depot, and in a roofing section I found these aluminum rolls. They are like 10 feet long and we have a 53 feet long trailer, so I'm buying 6 rolls. That's like $9 each, and that should be enough for the repair. As you can see, I remove all the duct tape and the whole wall is down again. So I'm at the Home Depot parking lot, and I also bought some extra stuff including the aluminum trim. I also bought the adhesive, it's a glue, 3M high strength. I also bought some liquid nails and some glue and caulking, so clear glue. The reason why I'm using different stuff, so if one don't work, the other one should work. So I also bought the self-drilling roofing screws, and that's for the aluminum. So I'm just going to show you how I am going to put this wall together. So as you can see, I put the liquid nail on first with a caulking gun, and I put in a different pattern, and now I'm using the glue. So I'm just making sure that both materials, they don't interact with each other, and I'm giving them enough space, and I'm trying to keep both materials separate so they can work separately wherever they add, and if any one of them fail, the other one should be holding the wall together. So I'm pretty sure they both are going to work and they both going to hold the wall. The reason why I decided to do it myself was because the shop was taking too much time. They asked me to drop the trailer for 3 weeks, and they were asking approximately $5,000 to $6,000 for this fix. So I decided to do it myself. After the liquid nail and the glue, I just bought this 2x4 beam, and I'm pushing it against the wall, the whole sheet, and it's holding up pretty good. I also bought the 4x8 plywood, and I'm going to give it a little bit support to the wall, and also going to use a 2x4 and let it sit overnight. I put 4 by 8 plywood. You can use the low locks to give a little bit extra support and push it against the wall. And now it's time to put the trim on side of the wall to give it a little bit extra support. As you can see, the trailer have existing aluminum trim on the corners, so I'm just adding one screw on top of the aluminum and then the other screw at the bottom to the wall, and it's holding pretty good. And this 10 feet length for each roll, so it's really easy to handle for one person to fix the whole trailer. And all you have to do, just keep adding rolls every 10 feet. So after you add the aluminum rolls on the side of the wall, you can also use the clear glue and fill up those gaps for the clean look, and also to cover the sharp edges. Alright, so here's the final result of sidewall repair. It took me approximately 3 to 5 hours, and it cost me approximately $90 to $100 approximate. And I was able to do it within 3-4 hours, and it came out really nice. I save $3,000 and also save a lot of time. So I hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe the channel and like the video and share with your friends and family. Thank you so much.